Hey, what is up, guys? So I gotta be very, very, very quiet, but I know I just uploaded a video like not even 12 hours ago and all that, but these couple videos I'm doing are gonna be very smushed together, but I mean, that's fine. I got a video that you guys will see in like 10-15 hours, but I go watch my last video, by the way. It is like very funny. Like actually, I plugged my nose and burped, and it's actually, well, not burped, but I did the alphabet with my nose plugged. So go watch it, okay? All right. But I got a huge announcement. It's already in the title of the video. I will be burping again. But it's not gonna be daily. Maybe like 2 times a week. Every 3 days. 3 or 4 days, okay? Alright, but I got pranks, challenges, and all this vlogs that you guys will see in the near future. And yeah, so watch those, please. And that's all I wanted to say. So, and I wanted it to make like a separate video on it because like this is a very big monument, you know what I mean? Like very big, like very, like you can even see how buried it is. Yeah. All right. So, that's the big news.
Boy, if you don't...
Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your dude, your guy, Camden Gears, checking out. For now, you guys are amazing. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys are ready to see burping videos and other videos and pranks, because I got awesome pranks. Alright, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace.